we have completed question number 1 and 2. In question number 2, you are observing that we have to find out missing frequencies. We have to find out missing frequencies. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
And
Yes, sir.
most of the student has switched off their camera. Please switch on your camera. Switch on your camera. You are very good student. Please switch on your camera. I can understand your problem. You are thinking that our net pack will be finished. Data consumption will be greater if your camera is switched on. You are trying to save your data, but we are helpless. Student, in question number 2, we have to find out the missing frequency. Missing frequency question are very important. I will give you missing frequency question in mode also. Mode में भी मैं आपको missing frequency की question दूंगा, ठीक है? You have to find out the missing frequency mode also. Missing frequency questions are most important questions in mean, mode and median. Example number 8, page number 284 in your NCERT book. Please tick it most important questions. Most important questions. And exercise 14.3 question number 2, most important question. Either this example will come or this question will come. Definite.
Sorry.
Exercise 14.3 question number 2. You have to find out your median is given. You have to find out the missing frequencies that is x and y. In examples number 8, your median is given. You have to find out the missing frequency x and y. In exercise 14.1, question number 3. Question number 3, 14.1, question number 3.
Sir, after telling this, please repeat from the starting because your voice was not clear.
Voice is not clear?
Sir, it's clear and now earlier it was cracking.
Okay, some network issue maybe. I am telling you that in exercise 14.1, missing frequency question, that is question number 3. Mean is given. You have to find out the missing frequency, that is f. But in your NCERT book, only one missing frequency is given. In R.D. Sharma, R.S. Agarwal, there are some important questions in which 2 missing frequency you have to find out, that is x and y. Mean is given. But in NCERT, here is 1 missing frequency is given, mean is given. There are so many examples, there are so many questions in R.D. Sharma and R.S. Agarwal. You can take them. Otherwise, I will give you. Okay, students? Now, can you do example number 8? Can you do in homework?
Yes, sir, we can do.
Can you do in
Yes,
homework?
sir.
Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, student.
Yes, sir, we can do.
Now, student. My one important point is that if in frequency it is written as less than 10, less than 20, 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50, less than 60, less than 70, less than 100. अगर ऐसा कुछ लिखा हुआ है, it means frequency is not given. What is given? Please tell me. Who will tell me what is given?
The cumulative frequency.
Yes, you are right. Cumulative, yes. This is the most important point. Cumulative frequency is given. Students, you are observing that cumulative frequency will be in increasing order. Will be in increasing order. Increasing order. And in question number 3, you are observing that below 20, below 25, below 30, below 35, below 40, below 45, below 50, below 55, below 60 is given. And number of policy holder is given. The number of policy holder given is frequency and cumulative frequency. Please tell me.
Sir, cumulative frequency.
Cumulative frequency is given. Yes. If below 10, less than 10, above 10, more than 10 is given, it means cumulative frequency is given. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
अगर क्वेश्चन में less than 10, less than 20, less than 30, below 10, below 20, below 30 या above 10, above 20, above 30, more than 10, more than 20, more than 30 is given, it means CF is given, not frequency. First you have to find out the frequency. In exercise 13.4, please open exercise 13. Oh, sorry, 14.4. 14.4, question number 2. Question number 2 is given. Question number 2 is given.
Yes, sir.
Less than 38, less than 40, less than 42, less than 44, less than 46, less than 48, less than 50, less than 52. And number of student is given. What is the meaning? CF is given. CF is given. CF is given. Okay, student, I will tell you then how can we find out frequency from CF. I have already told you from frequency how can we find out CF. Frequency से CF हम कैसे find out कर सकते हैं? I have already told you. There are two different criteria, less than, and that is another method, and more than, that is some another method. I will tell you. Now concept is clear. कुछ समझ में आया नहीं आया?
Yes, sir.
Now come to the question number 3. Question number.
Sir, means you are saying that if in a question less than something or more than something is given, then it means that it is cumulative frequency which is given.
Yes, you are right. A life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holder. Calculate the median age if policy are given. Only 2 persons having age 18 years towards but less than 60 years. पॉलिसी क्या है? 18 years above 18 years and less than 60 years को हम क्या है पॉलिसी दे सकते हैं. अदरवाइज क्या है पॉलिसी नहीं मिलेगी. उसके लिए क्या है एज क्या है मोर देन 18 years होनी चाहिए और लेस देन 60 years होनी चाहिए. ठीक है. below 20 it means policy
So it should be 18 to 20.
18 to 20. Policy will be 18 to 20. Age in years. Age in years.
Sir, but class size will be different then.
No, class size will be not different. (18 to 20). Your age in years. Again, write such as, that is below 20, below 20, below 25, below 20, below 25.
Sir, what is the meaning of ogive?
Ogive will be graph. We will drive graph. Student, last year this topic was reduced by CBSE. Ogive. We will do or not? करना है? Okay. Now below 30, below 35, below 35, and below 45, 30, below 40, below 40, below 45, below 50, up to 60, below 50, below 55, and below 60. And your frequency is given. CF is given. CF is given. Write CF. Write CF is given. What is CF is given? That is 1, 6, 24. 1, 6, 24.
Sir, it's 2. So first one is 2.
2, 6, 20.
Okay, 2, 6, 24. 45, 78.
89, 92.
89, 92,
98 and 100.
98 and 100. It is your question. Now come to the point. First of all, below 20 is 2, and below 25 is 6. Below 30 it means 24. It means CF is given. Now we will find out the class interval. Age in years. Age in years. That is 18 to 20. 18 to 20. And your frequency, you have to find out. Your CF will be 18 to 20 and 20 to 25. Student, below 20, 18 to 20, number of policy holder is telling.
That's true.
And below 25, just 6 policy holders below 25. And out
We
of
subtract.
student, listen, out of 18 to 20, there are 2 policy holders, and below 25 is 6 policy holder. Then number of policy holder remaining between 20 to 25.
4.
4.
4.
क्या किया आपने? How can you find out? 2 as it is 6 minus 2, that is 4. Am I right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Right.
Now 25 to 30. 24 minus 6. 24 minus 6.
18.
Now 30 to 35.
27.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes. Please.
Sir, in 18 to 20 the class size is 2, but in 20 to 25
listen to me.
Isn't it different?
Yes. 1 second. First of all, please switch on your camera. Switch on your camera. Switch on your camera.
Please switch to large everyone.
Yes.
Yes, sir, I asked the question.
Yes. Your doubt is that now we will find out class size. Class size we will find out from here. That is 20 to 25. What is the difference class size?
Sir, it is 5.
25 to 30 class size is your,
5, sir.
and 30 to 35 class size is your
5.
5. Your H is 5. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, it is a continuous class size.
Yes.
Sir, so we don't have to do anything with 18 then.
Student policy, that is, there is limitation. The policy is from 18 to 60 years below. Then we cannot take below 18. We cannot take.
Okay, sir.
You can write such as 15. You can write, no problems. But if you are easy, you can write 15 years, no problem. Write 15. But when you will take the policy holder, you will take the number policy holder whose age is greater than 18 years. You will not calculate 15, 16, 17 years policy holders. You can write here, but you will take the policy holder 18, above 18. Now point is clear. You can write 15 years.
Yes, sir.
आप 15 लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे,
Yes,
कोई
sir.
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ठीक है, ये आपके इजी हो जाएगा. इसके लिए आपको कंफ्यूजन खत्म हो जाएगा. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Now 2 6 minus 2 4 24 minus
27, sir.
and 45 minus 24. Please tell me.
27 plus
21. Sir,
21.
21.
21.
21.
Yes. Now 35 to 40. Yes.
Sir, 23.
78 minus 45. 33.
33.
80. Now 40 to 45.
11, sir.
And 45 to 50.
3, sir. 3.
3. And your next 50 to 55.
Plus it's 6.
50 to 55 and 55 to 60.
That is 2. So 6 and 2.
6 and 2. Any doubt, any problems?
No. No, sir.
Your CF will be also given, that is 2 plus 4 6, and that is your 24, that is given, also given in the questions. That is your 45. 45.
Sir, what out?
Yes, 78.
सर हम लोग cumulative frequency 2 times लिख रहे हैं सर इसमें क्यों?
एक सेकंड, जस्ट वेट. आप लिखो ना लिखो, उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. 98. अब ये जो क्वेश्चन की फॉर्मेशन है 98 to 100. अब ये यहाँ पे we will take just this portion. We will take just this portion. Now we will not observe that portion. Last two column we will not observe. Now when we will solve, we will observe last 3 columns. Last 3 columns we have to require to find out the CF. देयर इज नॉट, अगर आप वहां लास्ट में CF नहीं लिखते हैं तो आपको बैक मारना पड़ेगा वापस यहाँ पर, ठीक है ना, आपको ये CF चेक करना पड़ेगा, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, यहाँ से चेक कर लो, ठीक है। क्योंकि अगर मैं ऐसे यहाँ पे मैं अगर इस फॉर्मेशन में देता हूँ तो ये क्वेश्चन स्टार्टिंग क्वेश्चन आप पहले कर चुके हैं, तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी आपको।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, students. Now n is equal to 100. What is n by 2? 50. Please tell me what is your
50.
median class? Median class.
Sir, 70, sir, 35 to 40.
35 to 40.
Why?
Sir, because it is and
Yes. Just
So it's just
above
about
50. CF is 78. Just above 50. CF is 78. And cumulative frequency 78, whose class interval is 35 to 40. It is your median class. Median class. And it is your CF. It is your F. It is your lower limit. It is your class size is your 5. H is your 5. Can you do it?
Yes.
yes, sir.
Any problem? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Students,
No.
most of the student make a blunder mistake. What is the blunder mistake? If your median class is 35 to 40, they take the CF 78. वो CF को क्या लेते हैं? 78 लेते हैं. That is the blunder mistake. CF will be just above the median class. CF क्या हो गया? That is your 45. Please keep in mind median. What is the formula of median? L plus n by 2 minus
CF upon F
into what?
4.
4.
H. Sir, H.
Sir is right.
It's H.
F, sir.
ऐसा तो ठीक है, लेकिन कैमरा कहाँ आपका?
Sir, please
Sir,
switch
it's
on the
N.
last
Please switch for not carry.
Now median. What is L? 35? 30?
Sir, 45.
35.
So 45.
N by 2, 50. CF is
50.
CF is
Sir, 45.
45.
yes. What is frequency?
Sir, 33.
Frequency is 33. And
Yes,
your
sir.
H is 5.
5.
5.
Any problems?
No, sir.
Now 35 plus 50 minus 45.
Sir,
5 by 33 into 5. 35 plus 25 by 33.
Now we will take LCM and it is equal to 33.
No need to take LCM. Divide. That become very lengthy. Just divide it. 33, 24, 25 is not divided by 33. 0. 8 3s are 24. 7. 7 3s are 21. 2 carry. 7 3s are 21. 21 or 2 23. Remainder will be 10 minus 1 9. 4 minus 3 1 0. 0 6 6 6 3 are 18 6 3 are 18 18 और 1 19 6 5 0.75 35 plus 0.75 answer will be 35.75 any doubt any problems please check your
Sir,
answer
I have a doubt. Sir, how did you did this? Like you have divided with 33 and 2500. Sir, हमारा कहीं तो 2500 था नहीं तो आप उसको डिविडेंड में 2500 क्यों लिए?
you had to find the value after 2 decimal after 2 decimal you have to find out the value
Okay.
without 0 how can you find out the value after decimal what is your answer
Sir, this only 35.75.
okay now concept is clear or not
Yes, sir.
any doubt any problems
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
श्रेया पटेल मोहम्मद अफजल प्रिया तिवारी अर्पित मिश्रा प्रगति सिंह अभिज्ञान स्वास्ति शुभम
No,
जाधव
sir.
any doubt any problems सोनाली
No, sir. No, sir.
चैप्टर कैसा लग रहा है
सर फॉर्मूला बेस्ड है
ये इजी तब लग रहा है जब मैं कर रहा हूँ
सर, ये पूरा चैप्टर ही फॉर्मूला बेस्ड है.
फॉर्मूला बेस है लेकिन ये इजी तब लग रहा है जब मैं कर रहा हूँ ये कैलकुलेशन है कैलकुलेशन में गलती करोगे आप पक्का करोगे यू विल मेक ब्लंडर मिस्टेक इन कैलकुलेशन okay students learn your tables practice of your calculation right learn your formulas practice of these type of questions now question number 4th and you are observing question number 4 that it is not a continuous class interval it is not a continuous class interval अर्पित मिश्रा question
Yes,
number
sir.
4 have you a book
यस सर
read the question number 4 and please tell me that how can you convert the given data in continuous class interval
The question number 4 is the lengths of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to be the nearest millimeter
yes
and the data obtained is represented in the following.
Arpit I am just asking that how can you convert the given data in continuous class interval
Sir, we will add 0.5 to the upper limit and decrease 0.5 from the lower limit.
Why 0.5 1 2 3 why 1 भी कर सकते हैं 2 भी कर सकते हैं 3 कर सकते हैं 0.5 ही क्यों कर रहे हैं आप why 0.5
Sir, because we will take the first and we will add them and divide by 2 and we will get 1 by 2. So, sir, we will add 0.5 to the upper limit to make it equal to the lower limit of the next class.
Shreya Patel
Yes, sir.
any views any idea
So, how comes the difference of their upper limit and lower limit is difference of previous upper limit and the succeeding lower limit is 1.
yes.
So, we'll use
listen
1.5 to make.
listen
Yes, sir.
which upper limit
Yes, sir.
which lower limit which upper limit
So, for example, 126 is our upper limit of first interval and 127 is the lower limit of second class interval.
Yes, yes.
Sir, so the difference is 1, so we will add 0.5 to make them same.
Yes, yeah, you are right.
Children, open your cameras.
It means your concept is clear.
Only
You are trying to
5
understand
children I
this
can see.
factor.
Okay, nice.
So we have taken average.